Prescription drug abuse. Introduction. Does drug abuse only happen when illegal drugs are taken? Select yes or no. Correct. Drug abuse is when a person takes a medication or an illegal drug for reasons other than illness. Jean noticed that the prescription pain medication she stopped taking a month ago had gone missing from her medicine cabinet. Jean lives with her teenage daughter and no one else. Should Jean talk to her daughter or healthcare provider about the missing pills? Select yes or no. Correct. Prescription pain medication is a commonly abused prescription medication. If the pills have gone missing, Jean should be concerned that her teenage daughter might be abusing them. Why do some people abuse drugs? Choose one of the following. 1. To increase their energy. 2. To change how they feel. 3. Both 1 and 2. Correct. Is drug dependency the same as drug addiction? Select yes or no. Correct. Drug addiction is different than drug dependence. Drug addiction happens when a drug user feels that they need the drug and can't stop taking it even if they want to. Drug dependence is when someone becomes physically dependent on a drug. Without the drug, they will become sick. Is recovery complete when a person is no longer addicted to drugs? Select yes or no. Correct. Recovery is when someone quits taking drugs and starts learning how to live life without drugs. Thank you for using Explain.